Warm welcome. I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. Today I am going to teach you Flexible Manufacturing System. Flexible Manufacturing System is nothing but FMS. What is FMS? A flexible manufacturing system is a automated machine tool consists of a group of processing workstation interconnected with automated material handling and storage system. A flexible manufacturing also known as highly automated GT machine cell. A flexible is an individual machine or group of machines served by an automated material handling systems that is computer controlled and has a tool handling capabilities. FMS is the result of integrating CNC, DNC, GT and automated material handling system into one system. You can see this diagram in this three machining center, that is CNC1, CNC2, CNC3. Three machining center. First of all, raw material storage is there. This is the storage of raw material, then move into the workstation by the help of the AGV 1 and AGV 2 is there. AGV is the transporting vehicles, automatic guided vehicles. It is used for transporting the material from storage to work center. Then a conveyor is there, different conveyors, the raw material from storage to work center place. We can using the another source of material handling devices. The FMS is most suited for the mid variety, mid volume production range. Why FMS? External changes such as changes in production design and production system, optimizing the manufacturing cycle time, reduce production cost, overcoming internal changes like breakdown, etc. What makes it flexible? Three capabilities that manufacturing system must possess to be a flexible: the ability to identify and distinguish different part styles processing by the system, among the quick changeover of operating instructions and quick changeover of physical setup. These are the reason we are using the flexible manufacturing systems. Then classification of FMS. Flexible manufacturing system can be distinguished according to the number of machines in the system. The following typical categories of: first one, single machine cell; second one, flexible manufacturing cell; third one, flexible manufacturing system. In which the first one, single machine cell, is a single machine cell consists of one CNC machine center combined with a part storage system for unattending operation. Completed parts are periodically unloaded from the parts storage unit and raw material parts are loaded into it. You can see this diagram. This is the single machine cell setup in which only one machining center is there. Consists of service. This machining center serviced by a pallet loading and unloading robot. The single machine cell is capable of one for processing different part types, responding to changes in production schedule, accepting the new part insertion. This is a single machine cell. Next one, flexible manufacturing cell. A flexible manufacturing cell consists of 2 or 3 processing workstations, typically CNC machining centers, plus a part handling system. The part handling system is connected to a load unloading station. You can see this image. The FMS manufacturing system, that is a flexible manufacturing system, flexible manufacturing cell consists of 3 machining centers. You can see this image, 1, 2, 3 CNC machining centers. Third one, flexible manufacturing system. A flexible manufacturing system has 4 or more processing workstations connected mechanically by a common part handling system. You can see this FMS The different machining centers is there. It's controlled by computer system, is connected with the part handling system by robot. So different work holding devices. So entire system controlled by computer. Basically, the manufacturing flexible manufacturing system components, three types of component, in which first one is workstation. The workstation or processing station are used in FMS depends upon the types of product manufactured by the system. In metal cutting or machining systems, the principal processing stations are usually CNC machine tool. In addition, FMS record other several machines for completing the manufacturing. The different types of loading or unloading system means, first of all, in the loading systems and machining center, assembly workstation, inspection station, and other processing session, it include the this workstation. Okay, this loading station means, we know the loading or unloading station is a physical interference between the FMS and rest of the factory. The loading station raw work part enter the system, and unload station finished part exits the system. Then machining centers mean, the machining center is a multi-purpose CNC machine tool that has an automatic tool changing capabilities. It include the turning models and milling model, head changers, head indexes. Okay. Next one, assembly workstation or other processing it include the inspection section is there. As inspection section include the coordinate machining vision, special inspection probe, machine vision. So different inspection station is there, and the forging station, sheet metal processing workstation is there. Now assembly station means assembly operations are also performed by some FMS. In such FMS, flexible automated assembly workstations are developed to replace manual labor in the assembly of product. Flexible automated assembly workstations are used in FMS for product made in batches. For this purpose, industrial robots are considered as the most appropriate automated assembly workstation. Next one, material handling system. You can see this image. This is the AGV, automated forklifting and rail traveler. This the first one is the AGV vehicle 1. So you can see this is the weight are in loading on the vehicles. That means material container. The box is loaded on the AGV vehicle. Second one, the workplace. The AGV vehicle is moving path. You can see this diagram. Second, next, computer control programmable logical control. So computer is control all the entire unit of the this flexible manufacturing system. You can see this image, flexible manufacturing systems, allied signal flexible manufacturing system. You can the entire flexible manufacturing unit. So automatic guided vehicles, machining center, washing center, control room. So all the industries workplace are exposed in this image. This is the 5 machine FMS for machining. This is the industry, an example for the image. Then human research. Human is needed to manage the operation of the FMS. Functions typically performed by human includes loading raw material or part into system, unloading finishing part or assemblies from the system, changing and setting the tool, equipment maintenance and repair, NC part programming in the machinings. These are the purpose we need the human resource. Okay, next one, layout of FMS. Progressive or line type, loop type, ladder type, open field type, robot center type. In first one is a line type or inline type of this is the one type of material handling. First you can see the first image of the diagram. First of all, loading the workpiece, First inline. Okay, inline workpiece means inline layout means the name suggests the material and handling system are arranged in a straight line in the inline layout. Okay, this first image shows the basic inline configuration with one direction workflow. This configuration is very much similar to a transfer line in which the part move from one workstation to another in a well defined sequence with no backflow. Okay, in second image, inline configuration is workflow in the two direction in this linear transfer system with secondary part handling system at each workstation facilitate the workflow in two direction. Thus this configuration provide the greater routing flexibility. Third one, ladder type. This ladder type an adoption of loop layout consists of loop with rungs on which workstation are located. Fourth one, open field. Open field means the open field layout also adoption of the loop configuration consists of multiple loops ladder and sliding organized to achieve the desired processing requirements. The robot sender cell. In the robot sender cell, one or more robot are used as the material handling system. This is the material handling system in the industry. You can see this image. Next, crane and hoist, industrial trucks or automatic guided vehicles are used for transport the material from one place to another place. Then applications of FMS. First one, metal cutting machining, metal forming, assembly, joining, the welding and surface treatment, inspection, testing. These are the places we are using this FMS. Advantages of FMS: to reduce setup and queue times, improve efficiency, reduce time for production completion, utilize the human workers better, improve production route, produce a variety of items under one roof, improve product quality, serve a variety of vendors simultaneously. Disadvantages is the setup is very expensive, substantial pre-planning activity. Challenging with the FMS, determining if FMS the best production system for your company. So if you start any company, it's a very much very useful best production system. Possible expansion cost associated with implementing FMS. Conclusion: FMS is a revolution in the field of manufacturing technology. FMS can be designed to meet the specific demand of each company. FMS is used for multi-task operation. FMS requires substantial investment of time and resources. Thank you.